Hello and welcome back to AliTech. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to upload a document that you saved from somewhere else, such as Word, PowerPoint, to upload it to an assignment when turning an assignment in for school. So first you want to go to the class, or select the class that you're going to be completing this assignment for. I'm going to use home maintenance as an example. You're then going to go to assignments, and you're going to click the assignment that you're turning this item or document in for. Once you open the assignment, you're then going to want to click Add Work down at the bottom. From here, it'll pop this pop-up up, and here, this is where you are going to click down here for Upload this device. Depending on where you save your file to, if you saved it to the OneDrive, you may be able to find it here when you scroll. Otherwise, if you saved it, say you saved a blank or a filled out Word document from Word to your computer and you want to find it, you're going to click Upload from Device here. This will then pop up your PC where all your files and documents are stored when you download them from another software. You want to then scroll through wherever or whatever under you put it under, whatever category you want to scroll through to find your document. Once you find it from whatever you named it, you can then click that document. You're going to click Open. From there, it'll then start uploading that assignment. You can upload more than one assignment at a time, but here I'm just going to upload this one to go first. Then you're going to click Done, and the moment you do that, it'll appear on the assignment itself right here. You can even click it to make sure that's exactly what you're looking for. If it is the document you just created, and just to double check to make sure that's your work, you can close the document and you are all set. That is pretty much how just to upload it. Depending on whatever software, say you use Word or PowerPoint, as long as you download your document, whatever you typed up, created your document from that software, as long as you saved it to your computer files and it's accessible in your downloads or documents or something, all you have to do is click that Add Work button, click the Upload from Device, and then wherever you saved it to, just find it there, and it'll automatically upload to your assignment itself. After that, it's just turning it in, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos for any tips and tricks you need throughout the school year.